Charged with driving while intoxicated, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. She has alcohol in the car while she's driving. And so I would presume that it's elementary that you're not to have alcohol in the car while you're driving. It scares me, and I just don't want her driving for now.
Understood.
We can approach at a later date, but
I'm concerned because for her employment, she can't get to and from work, and we can't get an occupational license or something like this. It's a condition of the court. I don't think we have any opposition to putting a lock in the vehicle so that she's not able to drink and then drive. But it just seems like no driving at all seems a bit harsh for a first offense. We don't even know what the blood is at this point.
get it. But she has alcohol allegedly in the car while she's driving. One would presume that that's a humongous no-no, you know? And I want her to appreciate the privilege it is to drive. It's not a right. It's not a right. It's an absolute privilege.
Judge, if I may, what would be the conditions under which she's able to come back and get permission from the court? At what time frame?
I need to know that she understands and appreciates the privilege, you know, be proactive. It's not forever, Aaron, you know, but I want her to understand that it's a privilege. It's not a right. And it's something that people should take very seriously. I don't want you to talk here now in front of him. You know, you guys at a later date can come back. I'm always all ears. Like, it's not absolute.
For Greg's purposes, since he's going to be the one representing her, what is a later date? I mean, is there something we can do? Because, you know, if it's something that you'd like her to do while on bond to make sure that she's, you know, addressing the issue. I mean,
be creative, be proactive. I want to know that she appreciates it, and I'm all ears, you know. But it's something that I've seen more and more, you know, where there's alcohol in the car. And I would presume that you would know, especially at this age, that, you know.
Well, to be fair, Judge, the allegation is that she violated the law. The presumption is that you would know not to violate the law, period. I personally don't think that the fact that there is possible alcohol in the car, I don't think it's been tested, but it just seems like no driving at all seems like a harsh penalty for someone who's never been arrested before, no criminal history. These are allegations. There's a blood draw pending. According to the dim summary, she had 1.5 drinks. It's certainly possible her alcohol level comes back below the legal limit. And if that takes 90 days to get those lab results and come back and get this taken care of, she's not driving for 90 days.
I'm not saying that long, Aaron. I just want some kind of proactivity that I know that she appreciates. Come back and, you know,
and
hey, you know,
for Greg's purposes, so I can convey this to Greg. What's proactivity to the court?
just be creative.
Okay.
Be creative. And